Today's video promises to be an engaging journey into the past as we explore 20 old-fashioned skills that have stood the test of time. Not only will these skills help us connect with our roots, they can also be instrumental in helping us save money. Yes, that's right. As we often say on this channel, sometimes the best way to prepare for the future is to look back to the past. Let's get started. Skill 1. Gardening. Our journey begins with an age-old skill that never goes out of style: gardening. This skill transcends boundaries and living conditions. Regardless of whether you own sprawling acres of land or just a small urban balcony, you can grow your own herbs, vegetables, and fruits. Not only will this reduce your grocery bill, but it will also offer you the unmatched satisfaction of eating fresh produce grown by your own hands. As they say, the fruit of one's own labor is the sweetest. Skill 2. Cooking and baking from scratch. Next up, we have a skill that can turn the kitchen into a magical place of creation: cooking and baking from scratch. When we think about the good old days, we often picture families gathering around homemade meals. Sadly, the convenience of processed and packaged food has made us move away from this practice. We're here to remind you that home cooking not only brings joy and fosters family ties, but also leads to healthier meals and considerable savings. Skill 3. Basic carpentry. The third skill that we recommend rediscovering is basic carpentry. In a world full of mass-produced furniture, the charm of a handcrafted piece or the satisfaction of fixing something broken is unrivaled. Not to mention, this skill can save you hundreds, if not thousands, in home maintenance costs and decor expenses. Skill 4. Sewing and mending clothes. Our next suggestion might remind you of your grandparents. Sewing and mending clothes. This useful skill not only extends the life of your garments, but also helps reduce the waste generated by our fast fashion culture. So why throw away a perfectly good shirt over a loose button or a small tear? Save money and the environment by picking up a needle and thread. Skill 5. Preserving food. Moving along, the fifth skill on our list is preserving food. Seasonal fruits and vegetables often come in abundance and then disappear for the rest of the year. Why not enjoy these delights year-round by learning to preserve them? Canning, pickling, and drying are all excellent ways to make your food last longer and save money in the process. Skill 6. Basic plumbing. The sixth skill is one that can save you from many unwanted emergencies: basic plumbing. Learning to fix minor issues like a leaky faucet or a clogged drain can save you a lot of money on professional plumbing services. Plus, it's always handy to be the go-to problem solver in your own home. Skill 7. Basic electrical work. Following basic plumbing, we suggest picking up some basic electrical work skills. This doesn't mean you have to become a licensed electrician, but knowing how to safely replace a light switch or repair a broken lamp could save you quite a bit on electrician bills. Remember, safety always comes first. Skill 8. Foraging. Next on our list is foraging. We'll get to that in a second. I have a favor to ask of you. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to the channel. While this might sound a little unconventional to some, being able to identify and gather edible wild plants is an art in itself. Foraging not only connects us back to our ancestral roots, but it also can supplement your groceries while making a day in the forest feel like an exciting treasure hunt. Skill 9. Bike maintenance. Bike maintenance is a skill that is becoming more relevant as we seek greener modes of transport. Regular care and minor repairs can keep your bike running smoothly for years, saving you from costly replacements or repairs. Besides, cycling is a great way to keep fit and reduce your carbon footprint. Skill 10. Candle making. The art of candle making is a delightful skill to acquire. With a few simple ingredients, you can create candles that illuminate your home with a warm glow. Making your own candles is far cheaper than buying from a store and allows you to customize the scent, color, and shape to your liking. Skill 11. Soap making. We can't talk about candle making without mentioning its equally creative cousin, soap making. This hobby can help you cut down on your personal care expenses. Moreover, homemade soaps are often gentler on the skin and free from harsh chemicals, benefiting your health as well. Skill 12, knitting and crocheting. Knitting and crocheting are not just pastimes for the elderly. They are wonderful skills that let you create anything from warm clothing to decorative items for your home. Aside from offering a form of relaxation, these hobbies can save you a great deal of money on store-bought goods. Skill 13, shoe repair. The 13th skill on our list takes us back to a time when things were made to last. Shoe repair. By learning to fix minor issues like a loose sole or a torn seam, you can significantly extend the life of your shoes, saving you money in the long run. Skill 14, home brewing and winemaking. Home brewing and winemaking are hobbies that can yield delightful results. With some patience and practice, you can enjoy homemade beer and wine that might rival your favorite brands. Plus, it can be a lot of fun hosting a party with your own signature drinks. Skill 15, dye home decor. Next up is a skill that can give your living space a personal touch. Dye home decor. Why buy expensive mass-produced decor when you can create unique pieces yourself? Not only is it a fun and creative outlet, but it can also help you save quite a bit on decorating your home. Skill 16, animal husbandry. For those with a bit of outdoor space and a love for animals, animal husbandry can be a rewarding skill. Raising backyard chickens for eggs or bees for honey can save on grocery costs and also be an educational experience for the whole family. Skill 17, basic auto repair and maintenance. Car owners, this one is for you. Basic auto repair and maintenance is a skill that can save you a bundle over time. By learning simple tasks such as changing oil, replacing filters, and swapping brake pads, you can keep your vehicle in top shape while saving on mechanic fees. Skill 18, hair cutting and styling. While it might not be for everyone, learning to cut and style hair can save a considerable amount each year. This skill can be especially useful for families, and it might even become a fun activity where everyone gets involved. Skill 19, basic computer repair. In today's digital age, knowing how to perform basic computer repairs is a valuable skill. Troubleshooting common issues and replacing faulty parts can save you from expensive service fees or the need for a new computer. Skill 20, beekeeping. And finally, we have beekeeping. This skill can be incredibly rewarding as it not only allows you to produce your own honey, but also contributes positively to the local ecosystem. Beekeeping can be therapeutic and engaging, proving that saving money can be sweet. That wraps up our list of 20 old-fashioned skills that can save you money today. We hope you found this trip down memory lane both inspiring and useful. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. We'd also love to hear which of these skills you're planning to adopt, so do leave us a comment below.